Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome. My name is NIK NIKAM, and we are going to look at Screenflow. Let's go ahead and start Screenflow. Let's go to Applications. Let's go to Screenflow here. Here's the Screenflow, and as you can see, the latest version is 5.0.2, which is the current version. And then Preferences. Let's spend a couple of minutes here. It will show you the countdown. You can tell how many counts you want before the video recording starts. And here's the key to start or stop the video recording. But I would just use the one here right at the top of the screen to see how well we can record this. Timeline. It's nothing you need to change here for right now. And when you go to Advanced, there are some options here for video magnification, which you want it to be smooth. There's nothing we really need to change. And this is about the license. As far as the license is concerned, you have to enter a serial number if you don't want to see the watermarks on your completed video. So that's about some of the features of Screenflow. First, I'm going to show you how to start a new program recording. Then we'll pull up an old recording. So let's say I want to start a new recording. Then here you can record the desktop by setting it to color LCD. Then you can also record from your webcam. And here's the resolution of my computer monitor, which is a MacBook Pro with 1280 by 720, which is basically a 720p HD. And here's the audio recording from my built-in microphone, and you can see nice deflections of the audio meter as I'm speaking. So that's a good indication that we're going to have a good recording. And if I click the red button, it will start recording, but instead of clicking the red button, I'm going to bring up a already pre-recorded program, because if I start doing that, then I'm going to have two programs which will be running simultaneously, because I'm already running Camtasia to record this Screenflow program features. So let's go back here and open a recent program which I had created, how to install Screenflow on Mac. Okay, here you can look at some of the features, and the one thing that will stick out immediately is that I have brought in an emblem. How was I able to bring in an emblem? So to do that, we are going to look at this menu here. You click on this little box, and that will show you the media library bin, all the files that are located here. As you can see, you have my webcam, my screen, and here is the emblem. How did I get the emblem? I just clicked on Add Media. I went to the particular folder where this image is stored, and from there I just clicked to bring this image into the system, and all I had to do is just drag this image and then resize it, and it's done. So I don't need to do this again, so I can just delete that. Okay, we are back to, so that's as far as the image is concerned. And here in the bottom we have the screen videos here, and here is a combination of audio and also my webcam image. On top of that, all the additions go here. For example, we have this NNN PNG, which is the emblem for my media. So that's about bringing in a pre-recorded program. Let me show you one simple tip as far as editing is concerned, and that is supposing you want to cut a segment. Let's listen here for a second. Use Screenflow. So right now actually I'm using Screenflow for recording, and hopefully this will come. Okay, so let's say I want to delete this particular segment. I'm just going to show you one important feature. Okay, let's say I want to delete this particular segment. What I do is hold the shift key and drag this red needle and release it after it marks the desired segment. Then you press Command Delete. That will take care of the program, both the audio and the video, and also moves the remaining segments. This is very, very important. This is called the ripple delete function. That is command delete. Remember, the most important thing when it comes to cutting and pasting is ripple delete. RIPPL delete program. I don't want to delete it, so I'm just going to press Control Z, which is going to reverse the last segment which was cutting, which was doing the ripple delete. So that's one of the features. Let's look at some of the features we have here. File, you can create a new program, which we already, new recording, which I showed you, or open an existing recording for editing purposes. You can then go and publish this program if you want. And here you save it as you want the name to be cataloged on YouTube or other programs. Then you put it on a hard drive folder. Then make sure your resolution is to the maximum screen resolution. In my case, it is a 1280 by 800, and then you will be able to export it as an MP4 file, which I have already done. So if you look at here, I already have this one. So it says, do you want to replace? I don't want to replace it, so we'll just leave it at that place. And there are a lot of editing features, and the most important of which I showed you was the ripple delete. There are a lot of there are a number of editing features, and similarly you have like an insert where we can insert a text box, an annotation clip, or even any type of audio or video in a video clip. Let's call the picture in picture, something like that. Then you can also look at some fonts here. It will show you a chart of all the different fonts that are available in the computer. This is to show you all the different variations of a screen display. This is a brief introduction to Screenflow. I think Screenflow is an excellent program for $99 because this is a great way to create your educational videos, to create your self-help videos, to create your instructional videos for YouTube, and it is very easy, quick, and it gets you best quality audio and video with very minimal effort, and you will be pretty happy. Thank you for watching.